Hi Aquarius, how are you all? Welcome to my first love thought, and here I will do your love reading. Let's see what's coming in your love life for the coming times. Okay, near future, what is happening in your love life? Let's see. We will see what's in your mind and what's in your partner's mind. What's going on? What's with your energy? If the energy resonates with you, it's yours. If not, you can check other readings that resonates with you. In my channel, there are lots of Aquas reading. All are timeless. You can check it out if you want. And just please tell me what is going on with Aquarius in their love life. What is going on in the Aquarius love life? Healthy choice. You are in your self-love, self-care, being happier, love and life. Okay, you want to love someone, but with a healthy and happy choice. The person who will choose you happily, you want to go towards them. The person who is clearly have uh, uh, their intention to be with you want to go there with them. Okay, it's your intention that if someone loves you, they will come forward and accept their love. If not, that's all BS, right? They are not loving you as much as they should. So there will be a healthy choice in Aquarius mind. So let's see what's in your partner's energy. What's there? Because you are ascending, because of your ascending mindset, because Rahu or the North Node is with you in now in your ascending sign. The North Node is on you according to the Vedic astrology. So I follow the Vedic astrology. Okay. So you are learning and you know how to expand, how to transcend, how to prepare for the union, how to prepare for the new phase of your life. You don't want to wait for someone, you don't want to be anyone's doormat. Just keep on waiting for them when they will come and then you will move forward. No, you are living your life in a healthy way, taking care of yourself, taking care of you, loving yourself, being happy. Okay. If someone loves you like that, you will reciprocate their energy. Okay. So let's see what is coming in your love life in the near future. What is coming in your love life in the near future for Aquarius? What's going on? What's coming for our Aquarius in the near future? Let's see. Love call and separation. What that? I am getting there is separation. If you are dealing with someone, then someone will come towards you for the second chance. I'm getting because separation, someone is very much sad. There is two messages coming. I can interpret it like that also. One group is that someone from the past is coming towards you because they are sad, because they are missing you, because they are thinking about you, because they are uncertain about the future. Okay, this person wants to come towards you because they are missing you and want to call you and want to express their love, want to message you, or think that they want to inform you about their about their emotions for you. Okay, so yes, let's see who is this, who wants to come towards you, and another is someone new also wants to accept their love for you. Let's see what's going on. Who is in separation? What's going on in the love life of Aquarius? Who is in separation and missing Aquarius, Chariot, and Ten of Pentacles. They want to come towards you with a commitment. Yes, maybe a King of Wands or a King of Swords. Is your Sagittarius or a Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Someone wants to build a relationship with you. Wheel of Fortune and Devil is also coming out. So maybe a Capricorn or a Sagittarius is also interested in you. Let's see what's coming. Who wants to come towards you? Yeah, definitely. Someone wants to come towards you to express their emotions, express their thoughts, express their words, because it's very burdensome for them to not to express their emotions. Who is this? Six of Cups. I told you, I'm getting this is the past person who cannot take you as their ex. This is not a ex. There is an on and off situation because Two of Swords and a Six of Wands. The person sometimes comes towards you to express their love. Maybe a Taurus or a Libra, or this person sees you as their empress. Okay, this person sees you as their empress and wants to give you a love offer to you. Ace of Cups. But they are in mind. They are thinking in their mind only to offer you that love. What will happen in the near future? Seven of Pentacles. Someone is waiting. Why they are waiting? Seven of Pentacles. They are trying to anticipate your emotions. Do you want to accept them or reject them? They want to know it properly and then come towards you. What they want. Queen of Swords. Clarity. Will they, what they will, what are the, what to say? What are the efforts they will take towards Aquarius? What are the efforts they will take towards Aquarius? Tower. Scorpio. Nine of Cups. Tower, Nine of Cups, Hangman, and Five of Wands. What's that? You are their wish fulfillment, or you. I am getting that this is your wish that will happen. What's this? Tower. What's this? Tower is. What is this tower is? Four of Wands. Okay. What's this tower is? And just what is this tower is? Clarify this tower. Five of Cups, Moon card, Two of Wands. There will be a breakdown of their patience. I'm getting. What will be the tower? Nine of Pentacles. They don't want to be single now. They are overthinking on the situation. Three of Pentacles. They are keeping an eye on you. Page of Swords and Three of Pentacles. What will be the action of them? What will be the action? Five of Swords. They want to argue with you. They want to create some drama. What? Why? Five of Swords. Why? Six of Pentacles. They will create some drama to know about your reaction or know about your mm, interest level towards them. And how weird this is. Yes, Eight of Wands, Three of Cups, Six of Swords. They want to know that you have moved on from them or you have any interest to build something with them. Four of Wands, Five of Swords, Five of Pentacles. Is this a way to approach someone? Ego. Due to their ego, they are doing this. Emperor, maybe Aries is like that. They are in stress, but still they are not communicating with you because of their ego. They don't want to hurt their ego. Their pride, their ego is much more bigger than this relationship. Uh, do you want to go to then? I don't think. You want a healthy relationship in the first. What will be your approach? What will be Aquarius approach towards this drama? Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands. What will be Aquarius will do to this situation? What will Aquarius do to this situation? You will cut down King of Swords and Three of Swords. You don't want any pain in your life. You don't want any pain in your life. So you will cut down this relationship or cut out of this relationship. You want a single thing. You want the life that is happy without anyone. You don't want this types of BS. So you will live your life to the fullest. See, three cards. Sun card, full card, and a Empress. You don't want anyone to hinder your inner peace. So you will leave this person and move forward with your life. Keep your bullshit with you. Let me go. Okay. So this is a false start for someone who is coming towards Aquarius anyway. Their wait will be waiting. They are only, they will be in a wait for a long time. This time, this will be for the better time, for the good. You will not take any interest on them. There will be miss opportunity for them. What will be the outcome for this relationship? What will be the outcome? I'm getting you will meet them as they are. What will be the outcome of this relationship? There will be a date. Definitely get back out, meeting someone new, setting the dating online, evolving growth, next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past. You will release them. You will release them. You will meet them and then you understand what their agenda, what they want to tell you, what they want to do. There will be a heartbroken situation for you, but you will understand that this is not for you. So you will leave this person in their place and you will move forward. Let's see what's your guidance. What's your guidance for Aquarius? Okay, I'm getting that Treasure Island. There will be a monetary upliftment for you. There will be a growth in finance. To be fair, what is the fair? What will be the fairness? You will entertain them. You will see what's in their mind. You will meet them, but you will not deal with them. Never in the story. You will anticipate, or you will get to know their emotions and understand that there will be chaos and conflict in this situation, and you will move forward. Regeneration and exchange speed. You want your peace in their place. You will value your peace in their place. Okay. So I think you will leave this person. Yeah, you will build your life. Okay. So this is the reading for Aquarius. I think this, yes, you will observe it from the far and clean it up, and you will value your peace. Okay. So this is the reading for Aquarius. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you want this types of reading, then subscribe to my channel. If you want any private reading, then email me or uh, contact me on my WhatsApp. You can have a reading there. Okay. After exchanging the energy exchange or fees, whatever you can say online, you can check and you can take all the reading online. Okay. So bye bye. Have fun.